7 Unexpected Way Boost Your Saving. Welcome to the North American Dream channel. Don't forget to subscribe for enriching content. 1. Audit your subscriptions. Take a discerning eye to your recurring subscriptions. Scrutinize which services you seldom use or can effortlessly forego. Opt for more affordable options or eliminate redundant ones entirely. Many are astounded by the financial breathing room this simple decluttering creates. 2. Haggle with service providers. Reach out to your utility, internet, and cable companies and negotiate for better rates. A single phone call often unveils hidden discounts or promotional offers, shaving significant amounts off your monthly outgoings. 3. Cultivate DIY expertise. Embrace the art of self-reliance for minor repairs, home maintenance, and creative projects. Undertakings like repairing a dripping faucet or rejuvenating a room with fresh paint can save you heaps compared to outsourcing to professionals. Elevating financial savvy through smart tactics. 4. Master strategic shopping. Harness the power of coupons and diligently compare prices across various stores. Synchronizing your purchases with seasonal sales or clearance events can unlock extraordinary savings on everyday necessities. 5. Venture into second-hand gold mines. Explore thrift shops and digital resale platforms to discover gently used treasures. From chic apparel to sturdy furnishings, pre-loved items offer stellar value at a fraction of the original cost. 6. Culinary planning for cost efficiency. Craft weekly meal plans to resist the lure of takeout and pricey dining. Techniques like batch cooking and meal prepping not only conserve your finances but also streamline your daily routines. 6. Time-saving strategies that save money. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your primary account to a high-yield savings account. This effortless autopilot method ensures consistent contributions toward your financial goals. Embrace digital financial tools. Leverage intuitive budgeting apps and financial management software to simplify your monetary ecosystem. These tools illuminate your spending habits and optimize your savings. 7. Capitalize on workplace benefits. Delve into employer-offered perks such as retirement plans, employee discounts, and wellness initiatives. These incentives not only bolster your financial wellness but enrich your quality of life. Paving unorthodox roads to financial independence. Tap into side ventures. Transform your talents and hobbies into a source of supplementary income. Freelancing, crafting bespoke goods, or providing niche services can significantly accelerate your savings journey. Invest in financial acumen. Dedicate time to mastering personal finance and investment principles. Enhanced financial literacy equips you to make prudent decisions, grow wealth sustainably, and achieve milestones faster. Explore peer-to-peer lending. Consider diversifying your investment portfolio through peer-to-peer lending platforms. This unconventional approach offers the potential for lucrative returns while fostering a community-driven economy. Fostering a resilient savings mindset. Monitor milestones regularly. Evaluate your progress towards savings objectives and refine your spending habits. Celebrating incremental achievements fosters motivation and keeps your goals within reach. Chart a financial blueprint. Establish clear financial aspirations and draft a pragmatic budget. Consistently adhering to this roadmap propels you toward enduring fiscal stability. Seek professional counsel. Engage with a financial advisor for personalized insights and innovative strategies. An expert's guidance can unlock pathways to optimize your resources and uncover untapped opportunities. Start implementing these inventive savings techniques today to unlock a realm of financial possibilities. Remember, the pursuit of financial freedom thrives on consistent, deliberate actions. Each step, no matter how small, propels you closer to a more secure and fulfilling future.